I'm Shrek with Shrek Travel, and please subscribe to my channel. This is some of the damage apparently that was done during the freeze out of 2021, where we had that week-long Arctic freeze going on pretty much across the world. And then also there was a lot of rain afterwards when the weather started to get a little bit better for us. But you can see all kinds of logs are pulled up, garbage got washed out, and just the water's a little bit muckier than we'd like, but that's the stuff we got to deal with now after that Mother Nature. So I'm Shrek, and please subscribe to my channel, and I wish everybody happy camping.